Hi everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Craft Designs. I'm coming by with a little bit of a different type of video. Well, it's the same type of video, but done a little differently. I'm hand holding my camera. Okay, this is the digital ultrasonic cleaner CDS 100. I was contacted by them and they uh, wonderfully sent me this. I believe it's... Okay, hold on. Okay, the name of the company is LifeBasis. They're the ones that contacted me. Alright, this little ultrasonic cleaner works with water. It works with 100% alcohol. And a few other cleaners. With water, you can add a drop of dish soap. Sorry, too much to remember. Alright, so I'm gonna add the water. Hold on. Okay, I only added about an inch. About an inch of water and just a drop of dish soap. What I'm gonna try to do, very clumsily, is I've got horrible brushes. Horrible brushes, okay? They've all been cleaned, but they're still horrible. So, I'm gonna try those. Alright? I'm gonna plug it in, and I'll be back to show you turning it on and all that. Okay, when you plug it in and turn it on, plug it in, it comes on to the 182nd, which is standard. You can set it up to 30 minutes, I believe. Now the lid doesn't shut down exactly. I hope that's alright. I didn't read anywhere. Alright. I mean, it is so sensitive, the on off button. Perfect. Alright, I'll be back in 160 seconds. Okay, it actually just went off, and I don't notice any difference. Alright? That being said, drain them off, set them to the side, and then I'm going to actually do my ring before I dump the soapy water out and do a rinse cycle. Alright? Okay, it just finished and I unplugged it. I'm going to drain the soapy water out. But first, sorry. Wow. That is pretty. Alright. I'm going to drain the water out and put fresh water in, and then I'll come back. Ooh, before I drain it out, I don't know if y'all can tell, but that water is pretty filthy. Alright, now, it does seem you have to unplug it and plug it back in every time to reset the digital display. So, another round. I did put the ring in with the brushes. I hope that was a brilliant idea, but I'll be back in 160 seconds. Alright, I'm going to pull these out and take them back over to my desk where there's better light. And I'll drain the water out of this and dry it out and everything. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'll be back. Okay, now here are the brushes. These are mica brushes, so that's why they're discolored and everything, because the pigments in the micas are really strong. And these four, I know they need to be thrown in the trash, but these four are the ones that I use for Swelligant, which is very destructive to brushes. So that's why I keep on using them, because they're not good for anything else. Just swelliganting. Swelliganting. It's almost like the bigger brushes for gesso. They look pretty bad too. So, alright. No, they don't look much different than they did before, but I can tell they're really a lot cleaner. So, and then this, I'm telling you, that hasn't looked that good in eons. And I'm really sorry, my voice is so terrible, y'all. My husband and I stayed up too late the other night before last. Yeah, watching music videos on freaking YouTube. Like we were 15-year-old kids again. Alright, there's the... Oh, that's stunning. So sparkly. Alright, y'all. There is my review of the digital... Yeah, ultrasonic cleaner. The digital ultrasonic cleaner. CDS 100. LifeBasis. Basis. LifeBasis. I'm so sorry, y'all. Thank you, LifeBasis, for contacting me and for sending me this awesome machine. Oh, it's awesome. I'm gonna take every piece of my jewelry and put it in there. Alright, thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll have the links for everything in the description box. Bye for now.